In the recent months, there have been numerous leaks regarding the features and specifications of the upcoming Galaxy S24, even though its official announcement is still about a month away. Recently, some details were leaked about the generative AI features of the Galaxy S24 series. Now, more information has come to light regarding the display on the S24 Ultra. According to a rumor from tipster Ahmed Quader, it is said that the dynamic AMOLED 2X screen on the S24 Ultra might have a peak screen brightness of up to 2600 nits. This latest leak contradicts rumors, which claimed that all three phones in the lineup, which would have a peak screen brightness of 2500 nits. However, achieving this peak brightness might be limited to HDR scenes for a period of time. For comparison purposes, all models in the Galaxy S23 series have a peak brightness of 1750 nits during HDR scenes. If this new information proves accurate, then it would make the display on the Galaxy S24 Ultra even more brighter. Samsung's screens surpassing both iPhone 15 2000 nits and Google Pixel 8 2400 nits screens. It's important to note that display brightness isn't measured on a linear scale. The brightness scale it uses is logarithmics, so having 200 nits doesn't necessarily mean it's twice as bright as having 100 nits. Likewise, having a screen brightness of 2000 nits isn't visibly bright compared to having 1000 nits. Meanwhile, the ALEC, a publication known for information, alongside with trusted leaker Revegness, has provided details about the camera suppliers for the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. According to their reports, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will come equipped with a 200 megapixels camera, accompanied by a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens and two telephoto lenses. One being a 50 megapixels 5x zoom camera and the other a 10 megapixels 10x zoom lens. This information contradicts rumors that suggested the Galaxy S24 Ultra would have either a combination of 3x and 10x zoom cameras or a combination of 3x and 5x zoom cameras. The inclusion of both a 5x and 10x zoom lens in the Ultra indicates that Samsung might rely on its 200 megapixels camera to provide zoom capabilities between 2x to 3x via image cropping. Additionally, Samsung could potentially use image fusion techniques to enhance image quality at zoom levels ranging from 3x to under 5x by combining results from the primary camera and the dedicated telephoto lenses. This setup could also offer improved long-range detail thanks to the capabilities of the high-resolution 50 megapixels camera beyond its reach of up to 10x zoom. As for its release date, Samsung is expected to unveil the anticipated Galaxy S24 series on January 17th in 2024. It has been rumored that this new device will be hailed as Samsung's AI phone, boasting an array of AI features and generative AI technology. So, what are your thoughts on the changes in the brightness and camera zoom for the upcoming S24 lineup? Share it down below in the comments section, and for more updates, do subscribe our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.